Hello all, welcome to our channel. If you start one website, any website will be two types: static website, dynamic website. Dynamic also will be two types in the pattern. One is the static and dynamic. Dynamic nothing but without touching code. So using admin panel writing on-page techniques. But this video will be belongs to for static web pages by using cPanel or PlusQ panel. What are the options you have? Use the particular pages. So I'm launching one of the website will be here, ashokacomputersolutions.com. Control U. But this will be adding will be only particular one service they will be add. But in my website, I have the number of services are there. What is the services? CCTV installation, laptop, biometric. So many services are there. How we can adding this on page in my particular website? First of all, we check the old one. Old title will be laptop repair and computer repair Hyderabad. This is our old title. But new title is called CCTV Community Services and Laptop Repair Services in Hyderabad. I'm highlighting for two keywords. So here I'm adding for dealers and installation services. Why I'm adding for dealers? They will be highlighted for dealers and every option. So first title will be copy. This is a website. We have to go option name is called cPanel or PlusQ panel. Some website will be designed by the cPanel, some website will be designed by the PlusQ panel. So this code who will be upload on the website. This task will be developer task. But what is our task? Based on website, you're writing for on page. In writing on page, CCT, what are the brands you are allocated will be here. Second thing will be what are the laptops we are providing will be here. After that, printer will be common. Which printer will be we can use by the common option, biometric option. Everything will be here. After finally, you add option name is called in Hyderabad. So here one more keyword I'm using will be here in Hyderabad. So what we can go for it? Total copy the first title. Go to task. So your task is only for writing. Who will update this website? Developer can update by this website. You can go to home page. What is my old title? This is my old title. Remove it, replace it. And description. Copy the description. Description is done. Keyword. Keyword should be writing will be keyword method. Okay. Copy. Save. So previous title, description, previous, read it everything. Okay. Now I'm going doing for refresh. Is changing or not? This will be changing for properly done. So this is can I do other digital marketer? If you have coding knowledge, you can do it. But you have one mistake. If you are do one mistake, total website will be collapse. So that is called first of all you take the backup. How to take the backup file? Before any updating will be here. Take it, click for download. First of all, take that website backup file. After that, you can change it. Why? Because any comma, full stop, one letter is missing. Total website will be collapsed. Pages will be collapsed. So some will be right click. You can download option will be there. Two option, but this will be here. Download will be like this. Rescue panel will be like this, and C panel will be when right click. There is called export or import. This will be download and archive. Is it clear? So this is the way we can upload the data will be here. So static website, how we can add the content. In a static website, what are the pages? First of all, look into this. In a static website, only for what are the header files are there? All will be static pages. Which one? About, services, support, service area, brand. So now coming to brand will be here. What are the brands we have here? First of all, look the brand. So this brand will be promoting will be here. So what we can add the title on page. You have to write it. First of all, copy this URL, paste it. So home page. Title. So why? Because content should be changed. Will be compulsory pattern will be here, and each brand you can writing will be comma. Is it clear? This will be adding. Next, keyword. Copy. And one more thing is called they're providing for SD camera, CCTV camera. What are the things will be here? We can use this option. Copy. So any content will be here. Notepad. You can select it. Always keep it in mind. What are the on page your writing will be here? That will don't mismatching for the other on page. So you're writing one page, other on page don't will be matching for same. You have to little bit convert will be option will be mandatory field. So we can using for the solution for SD camera, IP camera, Wi-Fi camera, PTZ camera. Here is the on brand of CP plus HK Vision, Duno and Prama and Honeywell CCTV camera dealers and installation services in Hyderabad. So this I'm writing will be here. So first of all, title. Where should I go for? What is the page URL? We can find out here. What is the page URL? Brands. We can check it out. Where is the brand? Click it. Now, first of all, check it out here. What is the title and description? Control U. Any page source you have to check out. It will be Control U option. So same will be here. So check it out. So how much time will be reflect this on page will be? What are the on page you change? Immediately can do for your inspection webmaster and Google search console. This compulsory will be important. If you're not done by properly this one, nothing will be worked out on your particular on page. So can I add this brand will be multiple locations like Kogarpalli, a number of locations can I add will be here. You can add your particular location as you wish. How many location? But your description will be up to 300 character you have to use it. So how to know this one? Copy, open notepad, paste it. This will be double two, what the triple two characters are there. How to know? View enabled by the status bar. How to know the your character count? In your notepad, view status bar will be enable this particular feature. So after this one, On page is done. Next, we can add by the description. Done. Next, keywords. Keywords time you have to add will be here. Keywords updated. Refresh and refresh. See everything updated. This is called update by the your particular brand option. So this is the future you have to implement by the each and every web page. And one more small mistake here. In a brand page, the content will be problem. This content will be changing for go back. Any content mistake, you are to intimate developer. But developer how to will be changing, I'll show you on to the this video. Go to option name is called application views for the page brand page is a content. Adding the content will be here. Paste it, save, and refresh. Look into this. Content will be changed properly. So here, this will be here. In Hyderabad, I can't mention by the in this content. Why? Because this is not only for Hyderabad. This will be all areas will be acceptance will be here. Brands. So who will done this task? This task done by your developers. What are the changes you require by the your particular website? So easily we can show by the particular things. So we can go for it. Any changes on home page also we can change it here. So same like that. Here also we have to change it. Where it is called, this will be home page. Home page will be where home.php. Where you can change this code will be here. Go to that particular code. You can change will be here. See here, brands. Here I'm adding will be Hyderabad. Why? Little bit changing purpose. I'm adding will be Hyderabad. Why? Because this will be home page. Home page should be content will be strong. Yes or no? See this. Is it clear? So this is the way you have to activate each and every website code to on page to update on for each and every pages. So based on that, you have to write on page for each and every website. So follow this condition to write will be code on your particular website. So what is admin panel procedure? Admin panel simple. Go to brand. What are the page you have to add it? Open it. This will be CP plus. You can enter will be here. CP plus. What are the people will be suggested will be here. They're into the camera dealer. CP plus camera dealers. So there will be particular space is there. Copy the. You can go for it. Dealers. Camera dealers. Before that, we can check the page will be here. Brand. What is the CP plus? Open it. See the control U. First check it out your title. What the title will be? Only CP plus, CP plus, and CP plus is there. Now we are updating for admin panel. This will be we don't touch the coding option. Where you can change this code will be admin panel. What is the on-page main aim? When people searching our keyword, we can show our website into the Google top position. Simple. If I'm searching, will be here. CP plus dealers in Hyderabad. Sort of India Mart. So many websites are there. In the same like that, your Ashok company will be going to top one purpose. Your Ashok company will be going to top one position purpose. Camera dealers in Hyderabad and type symbol CP plus dealers near me. Okay. Next. So we can use the keyword here. What we can writing for? We are the best. Okay. Ashok Computers are best CP plus CC camera dealers in Hyderabad. Compared to other dealer, they provide best price. Is it clear? So here one important one is called, don't forget the cameras. And, and submit. Now look into here, refresh, see this. Refresh. They will be changing for everything will be here. Into backend admin panel will be use the proper option. Is it clear? What are the changes will be required for the admin panel? What are changes required for the your particular C panel option? So this is the properly used for SEO on page each and every website. So any further question about SEO on page, please contact my channel. I definitely will be supportive. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.